Hey everyone! This is Gayatri from Youthbuddy. Dear students, young women, friendship lovers, and all the young sharp minds tuning in. If you are someone who always gets confused about what gift to pick for your best friend or close girl gang, this is especially for you. So let's be honest. Gifting can sometimes feel a little stressful, right? You want something meaningful, but also stylish, maybe a little fun, but not too common. And then you keep thinking, will she like this? Is this too simple? Should I get something better? Too many options, too much overthinking, and in the end, you are still unsure. But at the same time, you really want your gift to show how much you care. Don't worry, here's something helpful for you. Ladies' gifts to her friends information from Youthbuddy. To explore this, just visit the Youthbuddy website, go to the Ladies' Corner section, look for Ladies' Gifts, under the Gifts, Ladies Related category, and then open the Gifts to Friends on that page. This topic is all about giving you amazing, thoughtful, and creative gift ideas that suit different personalities and moods. Whether your friend loves fashion, self-care, travel, or just cute little things, there's something perfect waiting for her. Now let's quickly see how you can choose the right gift in a simple way. First, think about your friend's personality. Is she someone who loves emotional and meaningful things? Then personalized gifts like a custom name necklace, photo frame, or a memory book can be perfect. These kinds of gifts always feel special because they carry memories. Next, consider what she enjoys in her daily life. If she loves relaxing and self-care, you can go for scented candles, skincare kits, bath bombs, or even a cute sleep mask. These gifts give comfort and a cozy feeling. Then, look at her style and fashion sense. If she enjoys dressing up, trendy earrings, rings, stylish handbags, or sunglasses can be a great choice. Even something simple like cozy socks or a scarf can make her smile. After that, think about fun and unique options. If your friend has a playful vibe, you can try funny socks, LED fairy lights, a puzzle, or even a friendship bracelet. These gifts bring joy and create fun moments. Finally, if she loves technology or convenience, you can go for gadgets like wireless earbuds, a Bluetooth speaker, a cute phone case, or even a power bank. These are super useful and always appreciated. Now let's talk about some key highlights. One great thing about these ideas is that they are very flexible. You don't need a huge budget. Even a small, thoughtful gift can mean a lot when it matches your friend's personality. Another important point is, these ideas are simple and easy to find. You don't have to search everywhere or feel lost. Whether it's something handmade, trendy, or cozy, everything is easy to pick and personalize. Also, don't forget hobby-based gifts. If your friend loves reading, give her a book. If she enjoys art, a DIY craft kit or coloring set can be perfect. If she loves plants, a cute succulent is a lovely option. And if you want something extra special, you can even create DIY gifts like a friendship jar filled with sweet notes, homemade bath scrubs, or baked goodies. These always feel very personal and heartfelt. At the end of the day, remember this: a great gift is not about the price. It's about the thought behind it. Even a small gesture can bring a big smile when it comes from the heart. So next time, when you are picking a gift for your friend, don't stress too much. Just think about her, her likes, your memories together, and you'll find the perfect one. Stay tuned for more useful info. For more details, click the link in description or explore it directly in the Ladies' Corner section on the Youthbuddy website. Look for Ladies' Gifts, under the Gifts, Ladies Related category, and then open the Gifts to Friends on that page. Like, share, subscribe, and follow our social media accounts for more updates. Yours Gayatri from Youthbuddy, signing off.